Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to the online lectures. In previous video or in previous lecture, we have started with the topic of antidepressant drugs. In that, we have completed depression, endogenous and exogenous types of depression, symptoms of depression, then definition and classification of antidepressant drugs, and the first class, that is your tricyclic antidepressant drugs. And the most important drug we have completed, which is repeatedly asked in your examinations, that was your imipramine. Today we are going to see the remaining drugs which are used in treatment of depression. In that, the first drug, that is your amitriptyline. Amitriptyline is a drug belonging to the class of tricyclic antidepressants and subclass dibenzocycloheptane derivatives. That means in the structure of imipramine, a 7-membered cyclic heptane ring is present along with 2 benzene rings. Properties: it is colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, in ethanol, in chloroform, in methanol, but practically insoluble in ether. Stability storage: it is oxidized by air in presence of moisture, and this reaction is catalyzed by metal ions. It is oxidized by air in presence of moisture, that is oxidation of amitriptyline takes place by a air in presence of moisture, as well as amitriptyline is catalyzed by metal ions. It is also affected by light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Disodium EDTA is used as a stabilizer. Disodium EDTA is used as a stabilizer. Uses: it is used in treatment of endogenous depression, anxiety disorders, nocturnal enuresis, that is loss of bladder control, chronic tension, headache and chronic pain. Official preparation: amitriptyline tablet IPBP, amitriptyline injection BP. Brand name: Amitone, Lenitazole, Elivel are your brand names. Then the next drug, that is nortriptyline, belonging to the class of dibenzocycloheptane derivatives in tricyclic antidepressants. Properties: it is white powder, slight characteristic odor and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in ethanol and in chloroform, sparingly soluble in water and in methanol, practically insoluble in ether and in benzene. Stability storage: it is affected by light, hence stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: same as like amitriptyline, that is to treat endogenous depression, anxiety disorders, nocturnal enuresis, chronic tension and headache. chronic pain, but nortriptyline is not recommended for use in children. It should be used only in adults. Official preparation: nortriptyline tablet IPBP, nortriptyline capsule BP. Brand names: Senivel, Primox, etc. Next class, that is monoamino oxidase inhibitors, that is MAO inhibitors. Monoamino oxidase is an enzyme which is present in our body, and it is mainly responsible for metabolizing neurotransmitter adrenaline or noradrenaline. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये जे न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर आहे, दॅट इज युअर ॲड्रेनालिन और नॉरॲड्रेनालिन, these neurotransmitters are metabolized by two enzymes. One, it is monoamino oxidase, and second one, catechol orthomethyl transferase. If you inhibit the action of this enzyme, the concentration of biogenic amines, that is adrenaline or noradrenaline, it is going to increase in our body. मग ह्या ड्रग्सचं काम काय? These drugs are inhibiting the action of monoamino oxidase. The action of monoamino oxidase inhibitors is attributed to increasing the concentration of amines, that is your biogenic amines like noradrenaline, in the brain. These drugs turn out to be CNS stimulants. In that, the first drug, that is phenelzine. Properties: it is white powder and pungent odor. It is freely soluble in water, very slightly soluble in alcohol. When solution of phenelzine is treated with sodium hydroxide and failing solution A and B, a red precipitate is obtained. Stability storage: it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used to treat endogenous depression, anxiety state, phobia, that is extreme fear state, chronic pain. Official preparation: phenelzine tablet BP. Brand name: Nardil, Nardalizine, Phenodine, etc. are the brand names of phenelzine. The last drug, that is your tranylcypromine from the chapter antidepressants. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and acid-like taste. It is soluble in water, very slightly soluble in alcohol and in ether. Suspension of tranylcypromine in alcohol, if treated with ninhydrin solution, after a span of 15 minutes, a purple color is going to be developed. It is a stable compound, hence stored in well closed containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of endogenous depression, anxiety state, phobia and chronic pain. Official preparation: tranylcypromine tablet BP. Brand names: Paranate, Parastylene are your brand names, that is famous trade names of tranylcypromine. In today's lecture, we have completed your antidepressant drugs or agents. From this chapter, the most important is classification of antidepressants. From the drugs imipramine, amitriptyline are repeatedly asked in your examinations. Thank you.